So I'm about to clean my cage. Well, guys, well, I have made few changes to my cage. Before it was vertically standing. Now I laid down because I wanted more area they can fly in instead of just go up. More space to fly around. And also today I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna clean my cage, which is pretty bad right now. Um, Someone requested me. So you can see this is my side door where I can just get into the cage easily, but I don't need to do it. What I do is I'll show you just. So what I do, easy. I have this big cloth that I put it right after I open my door. So my finches, my birds don't fly out. There you go. Easy. And I won't bother them either. There you go. So what I did, I just put the clothes there so they don't fly out or anything. I'll show you. Just give me one sec. Put something heavy there so there you go. So what I'm gonna do, see, you can see now I'll open my door. This is my door. These are nests. There's some nests there too, and of course my birds are laying. You can see their eggs and they're sitting on the eggs as well, so that way I won't bother them at all. What I'll do, I'll just, I hope you guys can see it though. Okay. So this is basically all the leftover food which I drop it in this tray, and there's mud in there. I throw some water so it creates a lot of insect they can eat. I put it separately. My whole tray came off. Now I can easily scrap it out, easily, and it won't give me any hard time. Just clean it. Hello guys, again, now I'm showing you after once I've done my cleaning. It was pretty simple. It took me literally 10 minutes maximum.